Is Windows backup to restore engine crashing because of the sdengin2 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before diving into the sdengin2 library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the sdengin2 library, a specialized localized sound engine library. It manages localized PCM audio playback, real-time voice mixing, and localized DSP effects for educational software and legacy multimedia suites. Corruption causes localized static or no sound issues. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This issue typically involves a missing piece of the graphics runtime environment. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime setup to restore legacy DirectX files, and then update your graphics drivers to resolve any hardware-specific dependencies for sdengin2 Library DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including sdengin2 library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for sdengin2 Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. The diagnostic utility reference below offers general information for managing sdengin2 library and maintaining system health. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for sdengin2 library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.